Hello, my name is Kate Carney, and I am the Community Outreach Coordinator for the Cook County Department of Environment and Sustainability. April is Earth Month, and to celebrate, we are featuring experts on a variety of environmental topics. Today, I am joined by Akosua Goosby from the Community Resources Team and Elizabeth Corrado from the Illinois Solar for All team at Elevate to discuss Illinois Solar for All. Will you tell us a bit about yourselves and how your work intersects with Illinois Solar for All?
Yeah, sure. I'll go first. So I'm Akosua Goosby. I work primarily in the communities, and I go out primarily actually on the south side in the south suburbs, and I go out to different community organizations, community events, and I talk about the work that we do at Elevate. So the way my work intersects with Illinois Solar for All is a few years ago when I got here, I believe Illinois Solar for All was just getting off the ground, and we were getting the news that this was a program that we're going to go talk to the communities about, and we were all very, very excited about it because anything that allows us to intersect clean energy with energy sustainability is just like the best. So we want our communities that are harder to reach to get this information and know how they can participate.
My name is Elizabeth Corrado, and I coordinate the efforts of organizations that do community education on Illinois Solar for All outside of Elevate. So there's funding within the Illinois Solar for All program for local groups that already work in the communities that Illinois Solar for All is for. So low-income communities, environmental justice communities that are already trusted in their communities and have led successful education campaigns in the past. Some on energy or solar related topics, but others have focused on housing, healthcare, economic justice, and other areas.
Can you tell us what is the importance of providing clean, affordable energy to more communities, particularly environmental justice communities?
There's so many different layers to this question. Maybe it's helpful to define how we think about environmental justice communities in Illinois Solar for All as neighborhoods and geographies that are both experiencing disproportionate levels of pollution and are also particularly susceptible to that pollution based on age or socioeconomic factors. Folks who live in environmental justice communities or who are from low-income households are paying more of their income, often considerably a higher percentage of their income than the general population, towards energy costs.
I work in a lot of EJC communities. A lot of times we don't even know we live in what is considered a environmental justice community. What makes our community an EJC is that we are living in an area that where the soil is not good, where we live by landfills, and we know we live by landfills, but we don't realize that this is the cause of all of our health problems, and that we can live better, and that there are options out there.
So what feedback have you gotten from the communities and individuals that have participated in this program so far?
Illinois Solar for All is still a pretty new program. It started up a couple of years ago, and the way that projects are selected and then built and energized, we're sort of hitting the peak of ramp up at this point. So we have early adopters who have participated in Illinois Solar for All, and the feedback has been very positive. We also know that folks who are considering solar and considering participating in the program have a lot of questions. The program is, and solar are complicated subjects, and there's a lot to learn. So I've been really grateful for the hard work that community organizations have done through our grassroots education program to help break down the program and also support participants step by step in subscribing to a community solar array or having solar panels installed on their roofs.
I know that there are a few community solar gardens already up, and we have photos of those that I can show people, and I can let them know that this is coming to your community. And I want you to be at the forefront. So I always have people sign up for Illinois Solar for All so that they can get the notifications, and they can also talk to approved vendors and find out how and when solar community solar will be coming to their particular area. And then they can also find out how they can find somebody that's approved and that's vetted that can do solar if they wanted solar on their homes.
How can Cook County residents support Illinois Solar for All?
So there are a variety of ways that residents can participate in or support the program. The eligibility maximum for households that live in Cook County can be found on our website. It's based on household size. So for example, if you're in a household with 4 members, you would be eligible to participate in Illinois Solar for All if your income is at or below $63,200 per year. So that's 80% of area median income. It's maybe higher than what folks are thinking about when we say the words low income. So renters can participate by subscribing to a community solar project. Homeowners could also subscribe to a community solar project, or they could pursue rooftop solar on their home. Local institutions, whether they be nonprofits or public facilities, can take advantage of Illinois Solar for All through our nonprofit and public facility sub-program. And that's available to institutions in low income or in environmental justice communities. And folks who are not income eligible can participate in the market rate solar program in Illinois called Illinois Shines. And they can also help their friends and neighbors to evaluate their options through either one of those programs.
Get the word out about solar, that solar is here and it's coming. The most reliable source of information is going to be the Illinois Solar for All website.
For more information, please visit cookcountyil.gov/environment.